Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. OpenAI's Sora 2 is a next-generation text-to-video model. Access is currently limited, but there are paths to use it, including free options with limits. Here's a breakdown of how to use it, free access, and pro features based on current information. Now let's start with how to access and use Sora 2. Sora 2 access is currently invite-only and primarily available through the official Sora mobile app that is in iOS and the Sora.com web interface right in here. Now let's get to the steps to generate your first video. First, gain access. So currently you need an invite code or to be on the wait list. Initial rollout is currently on users in the US and Canada. Now we also have official path right here. Just join the waitlist via the Sora app or right here at Sora.com. Priority access is often granted to existing ChatGPT Plus or Pro subscribers. Secondly, open the creation tool. In the Sora app, just tap the plus or create icon or navigate to the creation interface on the Sora.com web app. Thirdly, input your prompt, that is the text to video. Write a detailed, clear prompt describing the scene, action, style, camera, and sound. These are some of the pro tips for prompts. Be specific about first, subject and action, such as a friendly entrepreneur sharing networking tips. We also have setting and style, e.g. in a modern office with warm lighting, 4K cinematic quality. We also have camera, which can be slow camera dolly in on the subject. We also have audio, where you can mention sound effects or dialogue, e.g. ambient, background music, and gentle typing sounds. Fourthly, now go ahead and generate and iterate. Tap create or generate and wait for the clip. Go ahead and now review the results. Then refine your prompt to fix artifacts or improve the scene, e.g. change warm lighting to neon blue lighting. Another key thing is to use the remix function to create a new version based on a successful clip. Fifthly, go ahead and now export and share. Download your finished clip in MP4 format. All videos include an OpenAI watermark. Now let's get to the second thing here, which is free access versus the pro features breakdown. The current free and paid tiers are tied to your OpenAI subscription, offering different limits and capabilities. Now let's get to the free access, which is Sora 2 standard. These are some of the features. We have fast availability, where we have web that is right in here at Sora.com, and we also have iOS app, which requires an invite or waitlist approval. The limitations for this is that it's not immediate. We also have some geographical restrictions, i.e. it's only available in US or Canada focus. Let's get to the second feature, which is cost. So it's around $0 with an OpenAI account. So the limitations is that it's strictly compute limited. You get a limited number of generations per day, e.g. 30 generations only. We also have another key feature, which is maximum resolution, which is typically 480p or 720p. Also, the limit here is that the resolution and duration are often lower than Pro. We also have maximum duration, so this produces shorter clips, often 5 to 10 seconds. Another key feature is that text to video and image to video. So the limitation here is that all free clips include a visible watermark. Now let's get to the pro features. That is Sora 2 Pro. Sora 2 Pro is typically available to ChatGPT Pro, which is around $200 per month, or ChatGPT Plus, which is around $20 per month for subscribers. This depends on the current rollout phase. Now, let's get to the features. First, we have the generation limit, which is approximately 50 videos per month, credit-based. That is for the Plus. While for the ChatGPT Pro, which is around $200 per month, it's approximately 500 videos per month, credit-based, plus unlimited relaxed videos. Now, let's also check on maximum resolution feature. For ChatGPT Plus, it's up to 720p, while for ChatGPT Pro, it's up to 1080p. Let's also check on maximum duration. which is up to 20 seconds for ChatGPT Plus, while it's up to 20 seconds, sometimes longer in initial previews for ChatGPT Pro. Let's also check on the watermark. It's watermarked for ChatGPT Plus, but for ChatGPT Pro, it can be downloaded without a watermark, which is confirmed for some Pro access. Let's also check on speed. High priority, which is faster generation for ChatGPT Plus. Its highest priority for ChatGPT Pro, fastest generation, and dedicated compute. Now let's also check on API access. There's no API access for ChatGPT Plus, but ChatGPT Pro has access to API access via Azure or planned OpenAI API with usage fees. Now let's check on the key Pro capabilities. Sora 2 power comes from a few game-changing advancements regardless of the tire you use. We have first, advanced physics and consistencies. Objects and characters maintain coherence and more realistically, following concepts like gravity, collision, and momentum across shots. We also have synchronized audio. We also have the cameo feature, which allows you to record a short clip of yourself to create a verified digital avatar that you can insert into any generated scene with robust consent and revocation controls. We also have another key capability here, which is multi-shot sequences. Improved consistency allows you to generate multiple clips that feels like a cohesive multi-shot sequence for a shot or production. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.